All right, as promised, we're about to make our red lobster cheddar bay biscuits. Now you can find this actual kit in Walmart or Schnucks. All right, so we have our large bowl. We're gonna pour in the pouch of cheddar bay biscuit mix that was in the box. I'm gonna get my hand mixer for this. I would highly recommend it because it is easier to mix it that way. You wanna pour in that cold water, and you have to use cold water for this recipe, so do not try to skip that step. And we want to get all of our shredded cheddar cheese. Ooh, so we can have those biscuits at home, guys. Now with the hand mixer, I did it on a low setting, but as you can see, it is still stuck to my tongue. So I'm gonna have to use one of my spatulas that come with my big mixer to get all of the dough off. It was actually really fun making this recipe. It's very sticky, so make sure that you are ready to get dirty in the kitchen, but it's well worth it. All right, so I'm gonna use my ice cream scooper because I feel like it's going to be the proper size biscuit that we're used to. You can use whatever you want to scoop it out with. I did have a cookie dough scooper, but it would have made them really too small. The ice cream scooper was perfect. Look at that. See, a little perfect biscuits. Now make sure your oven is preheated to, I believe the recipe called for 425. You want to make sure you always have a liner in your cookie tray because this dough is very sticky. So you want to make sure you have a liner so it doesn't stick to the cookie sheet. Okay. Once you put them in the oven and the oven is nice and hot at 425, you need to bake them for at least 14 minutes. I actually, because my oven gets really, really hot, I took mine out at about 13 minutes. But you can judge how you want yours cooked. But 13 minutes was perfect for us. Now I popped them in the oven, and this how they actually look when they come out. And you want to melt your 1/4 cup of butter and pour in that herb mixture, and you want to brush it on top of each biscuit. Oh my God, they are so beautiful, and they smell really good. I mean, my house has a beautiful heavenly smell. Oh my goodness, guys, this is a box of deliciousness that you can get at your grocery and make at home and don't have to spend much on it. It was like $1.59. So worth it. And when we plate it, voila. Now I'm gonna put the link for the pasta recipe in the description, but these two go hand in hand. It was good. Look at shrimp. Look at shrimp. Look at this biscuit. Man, they came out perfect. Look at that. And we had to top it off with my chef salad.
All
Thank you
right.
so much for watching, and welcome to the Nash House.